that time, y'all. Rough Riders. You know, Chuck Long, Eve. Yo, they wanna know who's that girl? Come on, who's that girl? Come on, who's that girl? What's my name? Come on, who's that girl? What's my name?
Good morning, my sweeties. Alright, I'm about to get my day started soon. Right now, I'm waiting on my time to come back, so I still got like 20 to 30 more minutes of sitting here, but I just got out the shower, got myself together, feeling fresh, brushed my teeth, washed my face. I'm feeling good. A little bit congested still. My voice is kind of going away because I had a little cold. It's going away though, so we gonna be good. But today is gonna be a really easy day. So literally, I'm going to Jefferson. Then after that, I'm going to Anderson, South Carolina. Then we're gonna come on back because I'm going to Mardi Gras. Yes. I'm excited for my birthday. So I'm gonna have so much fun, and I will be inserting some clips so you guys can see my life outside of the truck, obviously, and how I get down. I'm excited. It's my first time going to Mardi Gras, y'all, so it's gonna be a lituation. It's gonna be a scene. Like they say, beads, breast out, because we're not gonna say the other word. Gotta be a little PG on here. They say you're gonna have so much fun. So I'm excited. I'm excited to try the drinks. I'm excited to try the food. And y'all know I love Princess and the Frog. That is my favorite movie. I'm the biggest kid ever, so that is my favorite movie. And so I can't wait to see, and see how she did it when she was there, quote unquote, because she's a fairy tale character. But I'm excited to see y'all. So once I get started, then I'll see y'all in a minute. We at the rail. I'm currently up to my trailer. Alright. But I gotta look up and attach and everything. So if y'all can't hear me, my voice, y'all know it's gone. But I'm about to go ahead and check it and make sure it's hooked correctly. And then I'm gonna connect my line to the pre-trip. And yeah, y'all see with me. So come on, let's go. The first thing that I like to do is go ahead and check and make sure the kingpin is locked. So I'm just gonna grab my flashlight here. I got a big one, so first I check to make sure the fifth wheel, I can't talk, is connected to the apron of the trailer, and I'll show y'all what that means. Okay, y'all, so y'all see that there's no space there, so that means we're good. It's perfectly intact. Now the second part we're gonna do is go underneath, and we're making sure that bar is across and that little notch in there, which is the kingpin, is intact as well, and it's perfect. And then the third thing we're gonna do is go ahead and push the handle all the way in if it's a little bit more to push in. See that? And I can push it a little bit more. And now we know we're good to connect our lines right here. Alright, y'all, I gotta connect my lines, which are your air lines and your electrical. The electrical is what? To give the trailer power. The air is to give air because we run on air. We have air brakes. on, y'all. Alright, and now that we all done with that, we gotta check the tires to make sure they got the right air pressure. And we also gotta lock these pins. And I'm gonna show y'all what that means too. Because y'all might be like, what is she talking about? I'm gonna show you. Just wait, okay? Hold your horses. Don't do too much. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so these are the pins, y'all. So this is unlocked right now. That means that they can take this container off when they're unlocked. And you can't drive like that because it's gonna fall off. Alright, you get into an accident, you're getting fired. So you wanna lock it, which is pushing the pin in. Hold the handle down. There you go. That's one pin. Now we're gonna head to the back. Because there's 4. There's 2 on each side, the front and the back. So we see we don't need to slide our tandems because it's already in a 40-foot hole. It's good. All the way slid forward. All right, we got our muff lamps. We're not missing. Somebody missing, but we ain't missing ours. And this is the second pin. This is unlocked currently. So to lock it, we're going to turn it and lock it in place. This one is just a little bit different, but that's locked. Now we're going to the back. All the lights working. All right, so now we got to check the tires, y'all. So as y'all can see, dang it, it's hard. All right. Front, make sure it ain't going nowhere. Hard. Now we're checking the tread. So the tread is this part. And you see I can stick my finger in there? You know it's good tread. See that? Good tread. Now we're going to go to the other side because we have to lock the other pins. And we also have to check the tires. But look at this. They so close. How am I fit? I am not that skinny. We're going to try though. Wait, hold on. I can fit in there. Alright, I ain't that big as I thought. No, yeah. Alright, last pin I gotta lock, y'all, which is up front. I locked the other pin without y'all. But y'all see how I did the other side, so y'all know how to do it. This side, pushing it in, because you know these ones are just a push in, or wiggle in, because sometimes they be so stiff, y'all, to get in. Or sometimes, if the crane doesn't put the container on the chassis correctly, then it won't lock. And what we gotta do is we gotta go to the big crane person and they gotta lift it up, put it back down, and then we can lock it. So they put it on there. It's called an adjustment. All right, y'all. Now everything good. We're finna put that landing gear up, and it's time to roll out. Okay. It's time to roll out. We're getting down that road. This load is gonna be pretty quick. It's only like 90 miles or something like that. So it's really not nowhere for real. But the next one is a good amount of mileage and then on the way back. So that's what we about to do. I got the perfect song for the occasion. I was just thinking about this song because I'm like, I said roll out. I haven't heard that song in a long time. So that's what we finna play for a little bit.
Roll out, roll out.
My feelings are truly unconditional. I love you when your hair turns straight, girl. I still want you if you bleed a little weak, yeah. The way I feel for you, always be the same. Just as long as your love don't change. No, I was meant for you, and you were meant for me, yeah.
Yeah, I got a headset. Now, this is my first time ever having a trucker headset. I usually use my AirPod, but this time I got a whole trucker headset. It's so weird. Look, I've been almost 2 years in the game without a trucker headset, and now I finally got one. Thanks to my trainer. He was so sweet enough to give me one of his extra headsets, and I didn't have to buy another one because y'all, the headsets is expensive. They're literally like $150, $160, $200. Like, I'm like, why did they make them so hard? Like, it couldn't be that fancy. So, but anyways, I didn't have to buy it. So I'm definitely in trucker mode now. But I'm currently in traffic. I'm on 20, about to get on 85, and oh my god, this whole highway for like the whole last 8 miles is traffic. I think I never like got a trucker headset because at first it was expensive, and then second it looked like welcome to McDonald's. How can I take your order? Like that. It looked like I'm at a damn food job or maybe a pilot or some shit, like, you know, one of those jobs where you gotta use a headset. So I'm just like, I don't know if I like that. And mind you, it's nothing wrong with somebody working at McDonald's, food places, a pilot, and a plane. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with those jobs. Those jobs are perfectly fine, to each his own. But I'm just saying that's kind of how it looks. And I didn't like how that looks because, you know, I'm so sassy and girly that I don't know, I'm like on my head, but I think I kind of like it now. I guess 2 years later made it feel better. I don't know, but I'm good now, so I like it. I'm in trucker mode. I just got to the drop off. We at Home Goods and I'm about to back it up. I'm gonna show y'all how I backed up one day. Alright, I gotta get out and do all that, but not today because it's time to go. This is my last day, like I said, for my backed up. Now let's go drive this thing and go get it empty. Then we out of here to our next pickup for the day. Next and last pickup. And here go my trailer. Y'all want to see how I parked it? Yeah. Park that thing. I used to time myself a lot, y'all, but most of the time I get it within 2 to 3 minutes of backing up. And if I'm struggling a little bit, it take me like 5 to 6 minutes. But let's put this landing gear down and I'll be back. Alright, City Pies, I made it to my destination. I got my bills and I already dropped my empty, so right now I need to hook up to my loaded trailer so we can head onto the rail. And we're going to drum roll, please. No, this way. We're going to Austell. And I'm not ready for the traffic. It's gonna be so much traffic. I'm gonna show y'all too, because y'all might think I'm lying, but that line of traffic don't be no joke. No parts of Georgia really, like all the main parts, it's always so much traffic. But let's get into it. So somebody dropped the trailer too high. So I'm finna show y'all what that looked like. Alright, y'all, look. So here go the trailer, and here go my wheels. So you see how high that is up from the wheels? Like, I could put my whole head and lay down. Like, why would they jack it up that high? Like, now I'm finna have to struggle because this shit be so heavy when you have to do it. So ideally, you see that? You want, when I come right here and look under the trailer, I need it to be all the way close to like that little triangle at the edge right here. So you see where it makes a triangle? That is where I need the trailer to be at. So I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like when I'm done here. Alright, y'all, so I currently let the landing gear down so the trailer, so I can get up underneath it, because if not I will high hook it. So I already let it down. Now it's right where I need to be underneath, so I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Alright, y'all, see that now? Like how I was talking about, how it's supposed to be right down there and only seeing that triangle. That's how I know I'm gonna get under there good. It's not gonna high hook it, it's gonna connect to the kingpin, which is right there, and hook on good. So let's go back it up now. Alright, so I'm all hooked up. So we're gonna do the same process. We do this every time. So first, what I gotta do, get my flashlight, because what, we gotta make sure everything is checking out to be right. Okay, I look underneath. See that? It's touching the apron right there. There's no space right there, so that means we good. Then we go underneath. Even though I don't like doing this, but you gotta get under there. And if you look right there, you see it's connected with the bar across. Cool beans. Now we can hook up. So we can check the lights. We can check the tires and all that jazz. That's what we're gonna do. So let's get it. Look at my gloves on, y'all. You gotta have gloves. This stuff dirty. Like, look at my gloves. That's crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and check the tires. I'm gonna check my pins. I'm gonna do all that. Y'all already seen me do that. So y'all need to see it right now. I'm trying to hurry up because, like I said, you know, vacation. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. I'm gonna get back in the truck, make sure all my paperwork good, then roll out. Then y'all can see a little bit of me on the way back, traffic, all that stuff. And then I'll see y'all when I get to the rail. Kisses.
And I just stop thinking about the way they used to be. And I just stop thinking about the love that you made me. And I can't get you out of my head. How in the world would I be to let you walk right out my life and blow my heart away? And I just stop caring about the apple of my eye. And I just stop doing without the center of my life. And I can't get you out of my head. And I know I can't reach it. That I
Y'all, so I ended up taking the load back to the yard because when I got back to Georgia, like,
near 285 South, you know, trying to get back on 85 South. It was so much traffic. My clock was winding down. I just asked my dispatch manager, could I bring that trailer back to the yard? Because there was no way I was about to make it to that rail. I didn't want to go to the rail. So luckily, he let me bring it back to the yard, and I was done after that. So in the next few clips, I'm just going to incorporate my trip so y'all can go ahead and see that.
Now you've been maxing out my car. Leave that credit by me. Feel what you said, heading to the mall. Shopping sprees perpetrating to your face.
Me too. The fuck? It's time. I'm out of breath without smoking. Okay. Oh, I need a break. Yeah. Oh. It's windy. Motherfucking tired. Yeah. Tired. I did.
Just clip you right here, okay?
Okay. It's a gator. How cool. Oh my god. The lady man. Why'd you say that? And they was staring at us already. Bro. Not the waffles. What the hell? I'm sorry. Oh my god. Why'd you say that? She in the couch.
Taurus and Aquarius. Ooh, now you know I hold it down for them Leos. It's your birthday, yes, it's your day. It's your birthday, or your favorite holiday. It's your birthday, yes, it's your day. It's your birthday, or